Alright guys, this is a Solidworks Quick Tip. What we're going to cover today are two really simple things. One's going to be using colors in your sketches, and one is going to be adding notes to dimensions. And so what we have here is a part that I'm working on, and some of the things I want to define is I want to define what these dimensions do. So we're going to put some information into this sketch. So this 56-inch dimension, that's going to be overall width. So what we're going to do is O.A.width. And as you can see, I'm just typing it in here next to the dimension text symbiology. So that symbol right there represents the dimension, and then there's the text I'm adding. Same thing with this one. This is overall height. And so there's some internal things that I know about this. So this is the seal opening. And this one here would be inside cover diameter. And I'm not sure what this one is. This may be bolt circle, so we'll check that in a minute. Let's see, is there anything else I need to mention for right now? I think everything else is good. So one of the things that you can do if there's something critical, like if this can rub on something, which I know it can, I may turn that to... You don't want to use colors that are already in the SolidWorks scheme, so I won't turn it to red, but I'll turn it to orange, maybe a burnt orange. And the seal opening, let's see, do I need that? I might turn that green. And I know that this seems ambiguous and you may not have a use for it, but it just helps me visually identify this being the outer and this being the inner part of this design here. And so that's really all I've got, guys. That you may actually come up with a reason to color things. You may want all of your dash lines to be a certain color. I could think of a number of reasons to use coloring in sketches. It would have to be something you'd probably want to adopt company-wide or internally if you're doing drafting by yourself in a bubble. I know that in my drawings I color my dimension lines so I can tell them apart. Probably wouldn't be a terrible thing to do here. I'm not sure if you can do it or not. It doesn't look like you can. So anyways, that's all I've got for you guys. Hope this helps someone. Talk to you guys later.